To open the lock for the first time, set the combination to 0000. Depress the shackle and pull the lock open. Insert the reset tool in the hole on the side of the lock. Firmly push the reset tool all the way in and turn the key 90 degrees in either direction. The key will automatically stay in the reset position. Set the wheels to the desired combination. As an example, we'll choose 1, 2, 3, 4. Then turn and remove the reset tool. The lock is now set to its new combination. To lock the lock, close the shackle and scramble the wheels. Don't forget to store your new combination at masterlockvault.com. Master Lock. Tough under fire.